Cookie, cookie, cookie. Metal by numbers. 1, 2, 3.
This is the gay part.
With melody. Even a baby could do it. Just give it a try. Sound like Maiden or Metallica or Every Time I Die. I have to change my voice to make me sound mad. If I tried to sing clean, it would make your ears sad. This is the gay vocal, and I'll tell you the truth. It's four sweaty dudes yelling in a booth. Music really sucks now, posers trendy fools. But compared to Coldplay and Nelly, even shitty metal rules. It's metal by numbers, it's not arithmetic. John Mayer, Kelly Clarkson, they all can suck my penis. In this part it sounds like the singer wants to fight. Don't be scared, the chorus will make it all alright. Metal by numbers, 1, 2, 3. Follow these rules and you'll see. Cookie Monster vocals or yell like a Wookiee. Metal by numbers. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Metal by numbers. 1, 2, 3.
This is the gay part.
With melody. Even a monkey can do it. Just give it a try. Copy Maiden or Metallica or Every Time I Die. Here it comes. Come on. All right. Are you almost ready? Damn it, I missed it. This is the mosh part. So mosh. Or don't. It's your call. Yeah, I'm too old for it. I just sort of stand in the back and try not to get hit. Watch out for the shirtless white trash guys. They'll punch you and they stink. And look out for the Screamo kids trying out their karate kicks. Dude, you look gay-tarded. And look out for the giant Mexican guy. He looks really pissed. I wish everybody would just put their shirts back on. It's kind of gross. Is this part still going? Here comes the lead break. Nope, not yet. Now here it comes. Here it comes. Go! Metal by numbers, 1, 2, 3. Follow these rules and you'll see. Cookie Monster vocals or yell like a Wookiee. Metal by numbers, cookie, cookie, cookie. Metal by numbers, 1, 2, 3.
This is the gay part.
With melody, even a retard can do it.